welcome back to my channel. Whew, this is going to be another handbag unboxing, so let's start it. So before I show you what I have in this enormous shopping bag from Prada, make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel. Click on the subscription button as well as the notification bell. This way you'll know when I post my videos. And I do my best to post the videos twice a week on Mondays and Fridays. So, this just happened, my friends. How should I begin? I have been kind of looking at this handbag for some time on the website, and on the Prada website, basically. That's what I first saw it, and instantly I just fell in love, and I thought, this is the bag I need. And currently I don't have any Prada bag in my collection. I had one beautiful Saffiano leather double zip, I think it was called, and which I sold. So currently I don't really have any handbag from Prada, but when I saw this one, it was like instantly I was in love. So I got this in the mail. Yes, I don't have any designer boutiques near me, you guys, so yeah, I had to basically place an order, and I did order this. I ended up ordering this handbag from Farfetch, and the reason I did it is because I had a coupon code. I've got a coupon code for 10% off, so I just decided to take advantage of the, of the discount and basically purchase the handbag. So it came in this humongous, shopping bag. Here is the dust bag. It is so cute. This is probably nothing that you expect, because certainly I was not expect that I would ever buy anything like this. And I'm thinking that I'm probably like eating my words, because in the past I mentioned that I would never spend my money on any handbags like this. But there we go, you guys. It is Prada quilted nylon tote. This is my newest handbag. I know it seems like I'm buying totes recently a lot, but I don't have anything like this in my collection, okay? So long time ago I mentioned that I would never buy any kind of what is it called, like a fabric, a handbag or anything like this. And since that time I purchased my Chanel tote, which is like a kind of, like a boucle kind of fabric. And this one now is the nylon. So yeah, I'm certainly eating my words, you guys, but things just changed, okay? And honestly, I even was looking at the Dior book tote the other day, but yeah. So anyway, let's focus on this beauty. So the reason I'm saying that I fell in love with, because the fall is coming, the winter is coming. I thought this is gonna be such a perfect bag, because it has a zipper. It has a zipper. So I was thinking to myself, I'm gonna go back to work, like if it started being raining, yucky outside, and I really love the zipper. All my other totes that I have, and don't get me wrong, I love every single one of them, but they don't have zippers. So I thought this would be like a perfect, if I need to have a zipper. So yeah, how cute is that? Look, can we take a moment just to look at this? So like I mentioned, I purchased this from Farfetch, so you see a little Farfetch tag in here. What else I love besides just the fact that it has this very nice quilt. I really love the quilt. There is another tote which is also nylon like this, has like a big embroidery, like a logo, which is like the same color, like a black on black, so it's not really noticeable. But that was just, I thought it was like very thin and flimsy, but I might be wrong because I have never seen it. I'll try to link the other tote as well down below so you guys can go and check it out. I just wasn't sure, but I instantly fell in love with this tote. It's a little bit more structure because of the quilting, obviously, because there's a more material on it. What else I love about this old style triangle, you know, with the, it says Prada on it. And this quilting pattern is just very pretty. The nylon seems to be like quite thick. All right, so this is the front of the handbag. This is the back of the handbag. What I loved in the back, obviously the fact that there is a zipper and my cell phone can fit in here. It's not a very deep, but it's enough for the cell phone, you know, to fit in here easily. If you have a small wallet, you can probably even put like a card case or something in here. I love, you know, the hardware is just so beautiful. And of course the long, like kind of a zipper pull here, the leather tassel is just so kind of pretty, you know, I really like it. So here's the side view of the handbag, and it has a feet, you guys. So this is another bonus, you know, that this handbag feels like actual handbag, is just not like, you know, like just a nylon kind of stitched together, you know what I mean? It's just, it feels more like an actual handbag, if that makes sense. The leather handles on this particular tote are super smooth, super soft, super comfortable. You know, I think the thickness is just perfect. And I like the fact that they are very kind of, yeah, it's like very soft, you know, so it's easy to carry on your shoulders. So yeah, it's just so pretty. I love that. It is a little bit smaller than like your typical tote, which also something that I like, because I didn't necessarily want anything like overwhelmingly, you know, huge. But it is smaller than, for example, I brought my Neverfull. Do you see the difference? So obviously it's not as big, you know, as Neverfull, or even if I compare this to the Gucci, I think it's slightly smaller, just a notch smaller than Gucci, I think. But you know, it's pretty comparable. But yeah, Gucci is a little bit longer than this Prada, just a smidge smaller. So yeah, I really like it. So let me show you guys inside. First of all, another zipper pull, you know, with this leather kind of you know, pieces here, and the zipper pull is actually quite substantial. It's pretty big, and it says Prada on it. So the inside of the bag is all black. I wish it was maybe a little bit more like contrasting colors, so it would be easier, you know, to see things inside. But it does have the same kind of a lining as my the double zip tote that I used to have. It's kind of the same thing. It says Prada, you know, everywhere inside, but it's like a textile, you know, lining. And then it has quite a few pockets. So on this wall there is a pocket, like a slip pocket in here, and then on the other wall on this side there is a zip pocket. Okay, and it's pretty big, pretty deep. And I do have some paperwork in there. If I can take it out. I didn't even open this. I think this is some kind of like authenticity card. Yeah. So it's called the new xoxo boom there. I don't know. Yeah. So that's basically like the authenticity card, something. And it says the day when I purchased it as well in here. So this comes with the handbag. So that's basically the zipper pocket, and there's one more like a slip pocket, like yeah, in front of it there's some kind of, you know, tags and some other stuff that was included in here. So I think it's pretty functional, you know, has some of those pockets, which I always find very helpful. And then obviously you have a lot of space, you know, in the middle. So even like if you, let's say if you go to work and you carry like a laptop, like a smaller laptop, this will fit in here. I just think it's great. And I love that zipper. The zipper is like kind of nice and thick. You can even pull it out this side if you want to, and you can keep it like that if you wish to. So you can have it like, you know, dangling a little bit on both sides, or you can just put this inside and there we go, and just kind of hide it. So either way it will work. So yeah. So what do you guys think? Am I too crazy buying too many totes? What do you guys think? Do you like it? My husband was like, I don't like it. He doesn't like the material. He doesn't like fabric handbags, basically. He was like, this is waste of money. You know, but hey, men are men. They just don't know nothing, right? We know better than them. So yeah, so as you can see, the bag now doesn't have anything, and if I hold it up like this, there has some structure. You know, I took all the paper out from the inside, so that's what I liked about the fact that, you know, I thought the quilting might kind of hold the structure a little bit more of this handbag, and you know, just obviously the fact that you have feet and everything, I just feel like it's just so much better. So I am super excited about this. Let me know, guys, do you like this? I think it's gonna be a perfect, you know, kind of a fall wintry kind of a handbag. I was originally thinking to buy one of those YSL, what did I call them, poofy puffy handbags, but I had it already in my cart, and I've decided not to, because to me that handbag is like typical winter handbag only. But this one I feel like I can wear basically all year round, but I would mostly again focus probably on the fall and winter, so and you know, even spring. But I don't know, this one I can still feel like I can wear it these days and I'll be fine. But the YSL, this kind of a puffy bag, I think it's a little bit too much, you know, wearing during the summer, spring months. So anyway, so that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what do you think about this handbag. I will obviously try to link everything down below, so you can go ahead and check it out. The price, it was $13.50, I think, $1,350. I think that's the price. And I did get like a 10% off coupon that I used. No tax. And the handbag came from Farfetch. Is the British I think company. They're mainly like located in UK, but the handbag came actually from Florida, from boutique in Florida. So I know they cooperate with the different boutiques around the world. This way we don't have to pay, you know, crazy shipping costs and duties, customs duties and all that stuff. So yeah, the bag came from Florida and I got it very quickly and I could not be happier. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. And yeah, let me know what you think about this handbag and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!